Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the new Sudio TOLV from Sudio Sweden. And this is their second set of true wireless earbuds, and the last pair were pretty cool, so we're looking forward to checking these out. So these give you 7 hours of playtime with great clean drivers, and also come with a charging case. So this is the kind of trend we're in now, and you can expect to see a lot more coming soon. So here's the packaging here, and on the back it just gives us some more information on what's inside. So we have true wireless earphones with charging case and great clean driver. Bluetooth 5.0, 7 hours playtime, instant pairing, 4 extra chargers with the case, and you get 3 sizes of extra buds. So let's pop them out and have a look, and you're presented with the following, which looks really nice. So you have your accessories box here, and of course you have the earbuds here. And these are pretty cool. They're real small and they fit in the palm of your hand like so. And they've got this nice strap on it as well, which is excellent. So we'll see what we get inside the accessories pack first. And we'll pop it open. So you'll get your user guide. You get your cable for charging, which is micro USB. And you get your extra buds, which are here. So on the back here we can see we've got our charging port there, which has a little face in it. And on the front we have the Sudio branding there, and it clips open there like so with a magnetic closure, which is excellent. And that's the size of the buds in there, and they're pretty small, and you can see the charging connection points there. And here is the buds themselves in person, indicated clearly left and right. And we've also got some tips on, and you have your buttons there, which are very clicky and tactile. So these work with Android and iOS. You get around 35 hours of battery, and you've got a built-in mic, and you have a 15-meter range with a 1-year warranty, and you also have voice assistant with Siri and Google. There's no aptX on these, and that's basically it for now. So we're going to have to test them out, see what they sound like and look like and feel. But they look really nice anyway off the bat, and they've got the Sudio branding here as well. And I love this little case. It's really nice, and nice solid closure there. You'll know it's closed, and that's really it for now. So stay tuned for the full review coming soon at techbuzzworld.com, and we'll speak to you in the next one. And don't forget, we also have a 15% discount if you use the code TechBuzzIrelandSudio, which is up on the site, and the link is there. So if you're looking for some new headphones or earphones from Sudio, they have a great range, and you can get a 15% discount with techbuzzIreland.com using the code TechBuzzIrelandSudio. Stay tuned. Any questions, hit us up.